My name is Lisa. I am 28 years old. I live in a small apartment in the city. I work in a small office. The office is not far from my home. I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. The alarm rings, and I get out of bed. I go to the bathroom and wash my face. Then I brush my teeth and take a shower. After that, I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. I usually eat toast with cheese and drink a cup of coffee. Sometimes I eat a boiled egg or a banana. I sit at the table and eat slowly. After breakfast, I go to my room and get dressed. I wear a clean shirt and black trousers. I like to wear simple clothes. My office has a casual dress code, so I do not wear formal clothes. I leave the house at 8 o'clock. I walk to the office. The walk takes about 15 minutes. I enjoy the fresh air in the morning. The streets are quiet, and the weather is usually nice. I see some people walking their dogs or going to work like me. I arrive at the office around 8:20 a.m. I say good morning to my coworkers. They smile and say good morning too. Our office is small but comfortable. There are 6 people in my team. Everyone has their own desk and computer. I sit at my desk and turn on my computer. I open my email and read new messages. Some emails are from customers. Some are from my manager. I answer important emails first. Then I check my calendar to see if I have meetings today. At 9 a.m., I start working on my daily tasks. I work in customer service. I help people by phone and email. Some people ask questions about our products. Some people need help with orders. I always try to speak clearly and be kind. I like helping people. Sometimes, I have to talk to other departments to solve a problem. At 10:30 a.m., I take a short break. I go to the kitchen and make a cup of tea. I sit near the window and drink my tea slowly. I look outside and enjoy the moment. Sometimes I talk to my coworkers during the break. We talk about the weather, food, or fun things. The break is only 10 minutes, but it helps me feel better. After the break, I go back to my desk. I continue working. I type reports, update documents, and organize customer information. I try to stay focused. I check things carefully so I don't make mistakes. My manager checks my work every week. She is a good manager. She always supports us and gives helpful feedback. At 12:30 p.m., it is lunchtime. I go to the kitchen with my coworkers. Some people bring lunch from home. Some people order food from outside. I usually bring my lunch. Today I have rice, chicken, and a small salad. I heat my food in the microwave. We sit together and eat. We laugh and talk about our day. Lunch break is 1 hour. After lunch, I wash my dish and return to my desk. At 3 p.m., I take a second short break. I go outside and walk for 5 minutes. The fresh air helps me feel relaxed. When I come back, I check the time. I continue answering emails and making updates in the system. I like when I complete my tasks on time. It makes me feel proud and calm. At 5 p.m., it is time to go home. I turn off my computer and clean my desk. I put my papers in order and throw away trash. I say goodbye to my coworkers. They also say goodbye and wish me a good evening. I leave the office and walk home. The streets are busy now. Many people finish work at the same time. Sometimes I stop at the supermarket on my way home. I buy fruits, vegetables, or bread. Today I buy some apples and yogurt. When I get home, I take off my shoes and change my clothes. I sit on the sofa and rest for a few minutes. I drink water and check my phone. I replied to a few messages from friends. Around 6:30 p.m., I go to the kitchen to cook dinner. I make something simple like pasta or soup. I eat my dinner and then wash the dishes. After dinner, I relax. I watch a short show or listen to soft music. Sometimes I read a book or write in my notebook. I like quiet evenings. At 9 p.m., I start getting ready for bed. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I wear my pajamas and sit in bed. I think about my day. It was a good day at work. I did my tasks and helped people. I feel happy and a little tired. I turn off the light and go to sleep at 10 p.m.